Want to see who is the captain in Fantasy Premier League? Then you're on the right video. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Fantasy Premier League. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, head over to Fantasy at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in this page, click on Pick Team. It will show you your team formation that you have made. At the top left corner of the players, you should see the sign where it says C or V. C means captain and the V means vice captain. If you click on this, you will be able to know that this person is vice captain. But if you want to make this person a captain, then click on captain. And there you go, the captain has been changed. All you gotta do is look on this icon and you will be able to know that this player is the captain of your team. You can simply click on confirm at the top right corner of the screen. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.